Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
Not me being sent straight to the voicemail. Girl, pick up the phone. I have things to tell you. Anyways, I am in a wedding house now. Welcome back. This is it. This is the moment we have been waiting for. The moment we have been shopping for. It's wedding time. So, just to give you an idea of what's happening right now, we are all sitting in the wedding house, all the cousins together, waiting for breakfast. It's the calm before the chaos. Right after breakfast, we go straight into the bun ceremony, which is basically the first part of the haldi. All the married women gather around the bride, apply haldi, bless her, and sing those traditional ritual songs. While the ladies are handling the main ceremony, we, the not yet married cousins, are on full duty mode. We are sitting on the floor picking out flower petals one by one because the haldi ceremony needs fresh petals. Getting my done. I'm the last one, but I'm gonna make it worth it. Bhaiya is doing amazing. Bhaiya did so good. I'm just loving it. And then we are all ready for haldi. This is my look, keeping it simple yet elegant. The bride is having a moment with her mother and father.
हल्दी मसाले वाली कैसे पीसेगी ऐसे पीसेगी भाई ऐसे पीसेगी ऐसे पीसेगी भाई ऐसे पीसेगी सागर बुलाए तन्वी कैसे जाएगी ऐसे जाएगी ऐसे जाएगी अपिया बुलाए तन्वी कैसे जाएगी ऐसे जाएगी तन्वी ऐसे जाएगी हमारी बरसी खटन की आती खट के ले आंदा बहुत औखी सी वर्डिंग भूल जूंगी जल्दी सुन लो चली ससुराल को
Brampton ਵਿੱਚ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਏ
And after having a blast last night, it's the next morning now and it's the time for sun. This is the ritual where the bride receives her chuda from her mama and everyone take turns placing kalida on her bangle. It's such a special moment, emotional, intimate and filled with blessings. The reason her eyes are closed is because she is not allowed to see her chuda until after the wedding. I am all ready with the kalida I got for her and we are singing traditional songs while placing them on her wrist. And then comes the fun but not so fun moment, the part where everyone mysteriously walks away. It's the ritual where the bride shakes her kalide and whoever they fall on is said to be the next one to get married. So yeah, everyone suddenly wanted to disappear. And right after this, it's time for the bride to say goodbye to her forever home. You feel the shift instantly. Everyone gets emotional and eyes fill with tears. There's crying, there's hugging. It's the moment where it really hits us that she's leaving now to get ready for the biggest day of her life. She's saying goodbye to the home she grew up in, and it's impossible not to feel it. And now it's our turn to get ready for the big day. We are traveling to Ludhiana as we are getting ready at Nehal.
We are here. We're getting ready. Raya, is Raya going to get ready with Marcy? Yeah. Yeah.
Yet again, Didi goes first with her makeup, and meanwhile, I am getting my hair done. Today, it's me, my mom, and my sister. We all are getting ready at Neha's.
So, outfits change. This is the blouse. I'm going to show you the whole outfit. But right now, I'm sipping on my coffee and just getting ready.
After getting our makeup done, we are trying to wrap things up quickly because we definitely don't want to be late. And the best part, Rahul Bhaiya is driving us, so we don't have to worry about a thing. Makeup's done, hair's done, and now it's time for the fun part, the transition to the wedding look. I can't wait to show you all. So this is the final look. These are the lehengas we got from Maharaya for the wedding. The moment I wear it, I instantly fall in love and I'm like, yes, this is it. And here we are, me, my sister and my mom all dressed up in our final looks. We have done our little shoot, captured some videos, clicked pictures at Neha's and now it's time to go. We don't want to be late because we are the ones welcoming the Barat. So let's go.
Here we are, all ready. And with that, we are ready. Just heading to the palace. Can't wait to see the bride, the groom. Can't wait to welcome the Barat. Can't wait to eat food.
Every day has been full of chaos, traveling to a different city, getting ready, running around, but today is the day we have been waiting for. Let me show you the banquet hall. It's absolutely beautiful. The decor is stunning, everything looks so perfect and I just have to capture it for you.
Surviving the summer wedding, it's so damn hot. Using Iraya's stroller.
Nobody ever told me that summer weddings are this intense. The moment I reached the banquet hall, I realized the curls in my hair are gone. I'm sweating like crazy, the lehenga itself is so heavy. But you know what? We are not skipping pictures for anything. That's one thing we have to do. While we are clicking pictures, taking videos, the Barat is already here. Living in Canada has taught me one thing. It's not easy to see all your relatives, the ones you used to play with, the ones you spend summer holidays with. Weddings are the time when everyone comes together, often after so many years. At this wedding, we meet so many cousins, relatives, and it's not just seeing or talking to them. Being here brings back all those memories and it feels really special. Next comes a really fun moment, the ribbon cutting. Lots of teasing, laughter and a little playful bargaining because that's just how weddings are. Right after welcoming the Barat, we all head to the stage for some dancing and celebration. And then it's time to welcome the bride. She walks down the aisle glowing, and the groom leads her to the stage. Every step, every smile, it's just magical. After their first dance, we all sit down to watch a video montage of the pre wedding events haldi, mehendi, engagement, all the fun memories.
नहीं देखा बहुत डिफिकल्ट है वैसा होना काश मैं उसका 1% भी होती एंड अब तो लाइक लाइफ इज वेरी सॉर्टेड आई एम लाइक द प्रिंसेस सिटिंग एंड एंजॉयिंग लाइफ एंड ही इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग
Finally, it's time for Varmala. The bride and the groom exchange garlands, surrounded by cheering cousins and relatives. It's colorful, emotional, and absolutely unforgettable. After all this, with the summer heat at its peak, my sister and I decide enough with the heavy lehengas. We need something comfortable, so we change into simple Punjabi suit. Even just getting the lehengas into the car is a task. We literally need a team for it. Luckily, Rahul Bhaiya gathers some boys to help carefully pack the lehengas into the car while we get changed and finally feel a little relief.
And now the dress is changed. Outfit is changed. Now we're all getting ready for the fera. Congratulations, guys.
Since Hindu weddings often go until the morning, we all sit down for dinner, recharge a little, and wait for the next big movement, the fairas.
नो वन टोल्ड मी दिस पार्ट ऑफ शादी
क्यों
कान दुख रहे हैं
गला भी दुख रहा है
गंदे आवाज चली गई है अब बहुत परेशान करते हैं नींद आ रही है फिर एली मैंने बुलाया नहीं
This is the part where the bride and groom take their vows around the sacred fire. And in our culture, this is when they officially become husband and wife.
मन बिहारी लाल की जय की जय
Watching the fairas, the sindoor ceremony, and all the rituals unfold is so emotional. Every step, every gesture carries so much meaning and love. And finally, the moment when everyone just lets it out. Tears, hugs, laughter, it's beautiful, it's emotional, and it's the perfect ending to this incredible journey of love, family, and celebration.
We are happy.